Why does photorespiration matter in the life of plants? To answer that, we must first delve into the intricate world of plant biology. Imagine a hot, dry day. Plants, like us, are feeling the heat. But unlike us, they can't move into the shade or drink a glass of water. So how do they survive? One of their key survival strategies is a process known as photorespiration. In the simplest terms, photorespiration is a biological process in plants that helps them deal with high temperatures and dry conditions. It's a bit like a plant's own air conditioning system, helping to keep them cool when the heat is on. Let's dive deeper. Normally, plants take in carbon dioxide through tiny pores in their leaves called stomata. They use this carbon dioxide in a process called photosynthesis to create glucose, the food they need to grow and survive. But when it's hot and dry, plants have a problem. They need to close their stomata to prevent losing too much water. However, closing the stomata also means that they can't take in as much carbon dioxide. This is where photorespiration comes in. In photorespiration, plants start using oxygen instead of carbon dioxide. This happens in the presence of light, hence the term photorespiration. The process begins in the chloroplasts, where oxygen is combined with a molecule called ribulose bisphosphate. This produces a compound called glycolate, which is then transported to peroxisomes. Here it is converted into glyoxylate, and further into glycine. The glycine moves to the mitochondria, where it is transformed into serine. Serine is then transported back to the peroxisomes, where it's converted into hydroxypyruvate and then to glycerate. Finally, it goes back to the chloroplasts, where it becomes part of the Calvin cycle again, a crucial cycle in photosynthesis. This might sound like a convoluted process, and in a way it is, but it's also a vital survival strategy for plants. Now, it's important to note that photorespiration isn't as efficient as photosynthesis. It uses up energy and releases carbon dioxide instead of storing it. But it does serve a crucial role, especially when the conditions are hot and dry. In essence, photorespiration is a plant's fallback plan. It's a survival mechanism that allows plants to continue living and growing, even when the conditions aren't ideal for photosynthesis. So, why does photorespiration matter? It matters because it helps plants survive. It matters because it's a fascinating example of how life finds a way, even in the harshest conditions. And it matters because understanding these processes can help us find better ways to support our plants and our planet. In the grand scheme of plant life, photorespiration is a vital process, a testament to the resilience and adaptability of nature. It's a complex dance of molecules and reactions, a life-sustaining rhythm that keeps the green world going come heat or high water. And that, dear listeners, is the story of photorespiration, a tale of survival, resilience, and the remarkable adaptability of life.